How to log in into JET tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into JET tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the JET tax online on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, this type of different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. Now scroll down until you see this website JET login. Click on it. Now here on this page at the upper right side beside the English you will see sign in button. Click on it. Now finally here you need to enter your user ID and password in order to log in into your account. So simply fill up your information and tap on login and you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.